everyone, welcome back to the Relax and Craft YouTube channel. My name's Fleur and today we are unboxing the January 2025 Relax and Craft subscription box. So if you don't know what the subscription box is all about, it's a monthly box that gets sent to your door, jam-packed full of jewellery making fabulousness and gemstones. And in this box is enough materials to make at least 5 pieces of jewellery. So let's get it open. So inside we've got our little pamphlet here that tells you all about Relax and Craft subscription boxes and how you can look at the tutorials and the Facebook group for these boxes. And here we have the main event. So let's get it open. Rip that tissue paper open. So first things first, we can see our relax part of our box. So we always get some biscuits and a cup of tea. So this tea is chamomile, lemon balm and lavender organic fusion tea. Sounds absolutely gorgeous, can't wait to try that. And then we have our salted caramel biscuits. And then the main event, which is all of our fabulous jewellery making goodies. So they all come in these separate organza bags, so you can use these organza bags again for gifting your pieces, storing your pieces or selling your pieces, whatever you want to make them, whatever you want to keep them for really. And inside each one is a different element to our box. So I'm going to clear everything down and we're going to open each bag individually and have a look what's inside. So let's open up this beautiful purple organza bag. And it looks like we've got findings in here. So we have got our head pins. So really lovely size and weight head pins. So we get at least 10 of those head pins, and I do make sure that they are all compliant to your UK rules and regulations when it comes to metal. So there is no nickel, cadmium or lead in any of my findings. So these are silver plated findings. You've got lots of head pins there. We have got some jump rings. So you can see they've got some fabulous jump rings. About just over 10 in there. We have got some earring findings. So these are your hook earring findings. Really nice with a bead and coil detail. We have some clasps, some lobster clasps in here. So we've got 3 clasps there, and then we've got some of these really lovely heavyweight spacer beads. Now these are, let me just get some out for you, let's get them out. They're really nice. They come in 4 different colours and everybody's got a mixture of each colour. So let me just zoom in so you can see them. So they're really, really nice. So they're going to work perfectly with the gemstones which are in our box. So you're going to get about 20 of those, and as you can see you've got rose gold coloured, silver coloured and this black titanium colour. So really, really nice. They're going to elevate any project that you put them with. So let's move those to the side. Let's zoom back out again. We don't need to be that close. There we go. So next we have the organza teal bag or turquoise bag, and in here we have got some silver plated non-tarnish copper wire, so approximately 3 meters of 0.9 wire, and in this bag we have 2 meters of fabulous Rolo chain or Belcher chain, whichever name you know it as. So it's a great linked chain. It's really lovely. So you can add in your jump rings perfectly into these links. This is a 3x1 chain. So the links are 3 millimeters in diameter on a 1 millimeter wire. So it's a really nice weight chain. It's a real nice. Not chunky, but it drapes beautifully, and because it's Rolo, it's so much easier to add in pieces and jump rings to and charms and that kind of thing, because you've got one link which is portrait, one which is landscape, and each link is the same size, so it's perfect. So little more hints to what we're going to be doing with this box. I know because I designed it. It's a chain heavy box, and then our last bag is our gemstones. Let's get these out. So you always get beautiful gemstones with your bag, with your box, sorry. So let's start with these ones. So these ones are your 6mm fluorite rounds. And now these are called feather fluorite. I should move that out of the way so it doesn't focus on those. There we go. And this is absolutely beautiful, beautiful fluorite. You've got some absolutely gorgeous colours in here. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see all those beautiful, beautiful colours. So you've got from your purples to your like pinks, then you've got some greens, and they've got some great inclusions in these as well. So if you have got a jeweller's loop, have a look through your jeweller's loop at some of these absolutely beautiful natural feather fluorites. So that's one strand. Let me put that to the side. Our next strand is another fluorite strand, and this is your tubes of fluorite. So again, really gorgeous colours. Fluorite you tend to see it in this beautiful purple with the greens. It tends to be sort of like the sort of the main colours that you get with fluorite. But fluorite is a wonderful, wonderful gemstone to work with. It's got that beautiful soft like silk like feel to it. It really is absolutely gorgeous. So that's your second strand, and then your third strand is a really lovely special strand. It is your lepidolite wheels. So the lepidolite is a fabulous gemstone which has got lots and lots of mica inclusion, so you can see little sparkles as you turn it around. Now this is a wonderful shaded strand of lepidolite, so you're going to get everything from your dark purples to your lighter, more lavender purples. So you can see here this beautiful mica inclusion in here. Absolutely gorgeous, and it works perfectly with our rondelles as it's the same size as our rondelles. So if I was to just, let me see if I can add, well, make it look like one was sitting next to it. That's probably easier said than done. So you can, ooh, you did get to see it before it pinged off. So you can see there how it would look. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is a really beautiful strand. So let me just bring all three strands in. They all work harmoniously together. They're absolutely gorgeous together. So you can see they're really, really beautiful. I'm going to put some pictures at the end of the jewellery that I've made. And if you are a Relax and Craft subscriber, you will have had the tutorials for all of the pieces as well. I do have some of these spare boxes available. So down in the description, I will put a link to where you can buy a spare box. Every box will also get the main tutorial sent to them as well. So you'll get it via PDF in your email. So it will be straight email to you as soon as you purchase the box. As soon as the box arrives, you can start making. And it's a gorgeous chain asymmetric necklace. Like I say, I'll put pictures at the end. Let me just zoom back out a little bit and let's just recap what we've got. So we have our gorgeous gemstones, we've got our fabulous rondelles, metal rondelles, all that chain, we've got our wire. I'm gonna have to zoom out a bit more. These boxes are always jam-packed. We've got our findings, and like I say, you will also get your tutorial as well. So have a look in the description below. Like I say, you'll get all of this plus your main tutorial. If you do want to subscribe to Relax and Craft, there's two different levels. You can either get the box or you could get the digital version. So the digital version gets all the tutorials, nothing sent through the door, but you get all the perks of being a Relax and Craft subscriber without the goodies. Or you can have the physical box and all the benefits of Relax and Craft. There is over 100 tutorials still on the Learning Library that you can go back and look at. So if you don't like the tutorials that I've made for this box, there's over 100 tutorials that you can go back and look for tutorials that you want to make with this as well. So there's limitless possibilities with the Relax and Craft subscription box. So if you would like to join the Relax and Craft subscriptions box or the digital subscription, all the details will be down in the description below. If you've loved what you've seen to do with Relax and Craft and you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Also, give this video a like and a comment just to help me push this out to so more jewellery makers can see it and we can all grow our wonderful community of Relax and Craft and jewellery making. So thank you ever so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always alerted when I drop a new video on either unboxings, reviews or tutorials. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.